Mama wakwaba wofre me Addo searching mesrel na wa subscribe to my channel. Me a notification bell no so for more news.
Attention about and also man a lot of the celebrities no are tweety in support of the demonstrators. Meaning say what be but let me find a few of them na na me kan kakra emfa ema me hu e be free eyi Kononguni boy crying the same.
Sheriff Black.
Black Sheriff.
Sheriff Black. Sheriff Black.
Now the dean is Sheriff Black.
Oh, Sheriff Black.
Sheriff Black is a completely different person.
And
that's a prophet nekai.
No, Mr. Sheriff Black ana.
Prophet Kasa no. The prophet's not about Sheriff Black and Black Sheriff.
Oh,
meaning say you're completely different people.
Asante Dako Benjamin. What's this family Benjamin Asante Dako? Yeah, when you are down, Mamma Mosebi and I was on the Dako Benjamin Asante Dako. I didn't go. It's completely different. I who do. Mama Asante Dako Benjamin Asante Dako. You know,
I know Asante Dako. Because says the higher 94.7. No, so basically, in support of the demonstration, I may pay in the Sheriff Black was a black sheriff, or say left the UN conference in New York City right after the president of Ghana's presentation. Senator Nado Kasai, UN General Assembly.
Yeah.
I've never heard a figure like what he asked for from the UN. So if they carry all these money, give them, where them they take pass. Hand on my heart, I tell you, there is no evidence for all the monies these people they borrow in our name. And if the people who struggles you document to go ask for money want accountability, you send Koti, make them they beat them. Lord knows this battle is ours. Wanna go here where a black sheriff Twitter or very interesting tweet. Also a UN conference na UN conference na Addo pe sikebi na ska na Addo boy say pay free UN
na otises kanase ska na Addo kaso pe fa chronicle front page ba otises kanase
na Addo koso ko pay free UN okay it was say otis kan yam share
ti da se abra na ma cross oni baby otis kan kan wasem
or say the yam share.
Oh no, they should not. They shouldn't just.
And or say if they carry all this money, give them. Where them they take pass, hand on my heart, I tell you, there is no evidence for all the monies these people they borrow in our name.
That's not even true. There's no evidence. It's can you be a sex scan or coaching. It can be an open free. The open sex scan. Two. Or no, there no now if there is no evidence, it's our hospitals are NDC for CBC IMP before to us acquire and no what but you are not satisfied with the pace of development. It's different from Yakoji Sika or Mino. No, can't say parliament, you know. You might not be happy with the pace of progress or development, but you can't lie. It's not a fact. No, but obviously I brought this camera before near Vanya Juma. Now they be a corner there's a coach and no more demands because you cry.
Because if loan import, I said loan be attached to a particular project.
It's defined in parliament.
Yeah.
Before many at me, even though not all, but even the for parliament, you're 2D at the crop pot here.
The first for parliament,
let's be fair to us. Principle, no. Principle, no. If you want to be a student of what is going on, Ghana's democracy, the principle, you have to follow it.
The chronicle, Nini.
Yeah, chronicle.
Akufo-Addo tells developed countries, you are keeping our $88 billion and still call us corrupt.
Exactly.
And the $88 billion or not say, no visit a loan now. Oh, okay. Addo was referring to
the colonists, no.
Sika. Yeah.
As a friend,
colonizers never for free.
No, we also have the catch say yes, I corrupt. You know one I corrupt. On teach system, Nasia. Take your time and study the system. It's not a music scene. Take your time. Become more influence, no. If you misrepresent the factor, this is system Najamo.
It's true.
What I said, it's Najamo. I will support anybody on any day. who talks about the pace of development and the level of corruption and then family and friendship issues. I'll support it.
But it doesn't mean you have to represent the fact.
You have to
misrepresent the fact.
You should be principled, and let's also stop saying those things that when they say about who said that?
Sir, there is no evidence to show
Who said that?
for the law. No evidence. That's
Who said that? That I don't see anyone Freemasonry even under 7 years of Nana Addo.
Yeah.
Who said that? We have seen development, but not at the pace I hear. And at least they said there will be misappropriation, there will be movement, war system. Why are bad weapon? Easy.
That easy. Hey, so could you now say, oh, there is that way out there. So share. You are joking.
Easy, sir. It takes a lot of collaboration and a cabal. No matter what you dare show it, if you want we are outside the whole thing, we think that Sikari Tata office on Musana, Yomukojilo Niba, no more Fadio Penoma Dinoma me. It's not the case. It's not the case. Any celebrity who goes to town to talk about hardships in times that we find ourselves, you know, are you fair? You can't run away from that. Are you very fair? But don't distort or misrepresent the facts. Your opinion is always separated from what is factual. See, if the president is addressing a certain group of people and you didn't understand the angle the context was coming from.
Also, can I say?
Now, can I say a free neighbor? Scan a free neighbor. Oh, on your careful. Yeah, on your careful. No, on your careful. Make sure on your careful. We believe in him. He's carrying the flag high, so he should get his facts right most of. When a very critical issue because the cloud in terms of the presence we are seeing United States or the assembly to on fan to us a be a true media assembly to or the assembly to
following worldwide following
no could distort the fact is in all their control.
It's true. Ma mention I may pay the other tweet from Chalemo tweets maybe among fans sending me pay the other tweet. If you get any of the tweets now among fans sending me, I've seen one from Kelvin Boy. I've seen one from who again? Yes, Kelvin Boy and some of the other guys. And the month I've been sending me now mankind. We say Charlie, there is a project happening around Bayre Junction in Jowolo, and it is very close to the high tension cables. I am not sure how or who approved the project to go on that site. We don't have a building regulations in this country, or that those who have money and power can decide to do what they think is okay for them.
No.
We cannot be this banal in our quest to provide housing or project whose cost is beyond the reach of the average individual. Ani or sabote anyway about
ECG Momo dear friend dear high dear we are looking Ghana. I'm sure you know, but you want to draw attention to this. It will be very unfair. So with all the regulations and the acts, these are the normal knowledge, common sense, the noise that ECG cry here about some of these poles, no high tension, say a no-go area for building or whatever. No, be contrary. Assembly or other agencies or quickly we should discontinue whatever project that's going on.
It's true. And one thing they say, ECG will tell us about development in any district assembly or municipal assembly. Assembly in a permit. And yes, under